Hey guys, it's Rita. I'm participating in a collab today and it is called Using Trash to Create Treasure. It's hosted by Casey. Her channel is Coffee with My Sunshine and her co-host is April with April Adair Shares. I will link these ladies' channels below in the description box along with a link to the playlist so you can check out everyone else's creations today. So today I'll be using a piece of wood. We added onto our deck this summer and had a bunch of wood scrap left over, so I've taken this already and sanded it down, and let's get on to my video. I'll show you what I create with it. Okay, I'm going to create a sign today and I'll be using the Rust-Oleum chalkboard paint, and it was really thick. I've had it for a while, so shaking didn't help at all. I had to stir it up really good. And I'm going to paint both sides of this sign, and then I'll be using some stencils. I'll just let you watch. I did only use one coat of the chalk paint on the sign, and I did paint the edges and the back side also. I may create another sign on the back. It'll be reversible. So we'll wait for the paint to dry and I'll get on with the stenciling. This is a stencil from Joann's. I just did a haul today and there were a pack of stencils 70% off. So I'm going to use this one and use some apple barrel white paint, and then I'll create a bow for it. I did have a little bleeding with this stencil, but it's a Halloween sign, so just makes it a little spookier. And here's how this part turned out. Now I will be making a bow off camera and I will come back and display it for you. Now here's the bow I created. I tried to use hot glue to glue it on. That didn't work. So I just used some of those little sticky things that they stick on the front and back to attach it. And here's the finished product. I think it turned out really cute, and I would like to thank Casey and April today for hosting this collaboration. Had a fun time doing it, and I got rid of one piece of the wood that I'd been saving. So be sure to check out their channels, and also be sure to check out the playlist so you can see what all the other creators have come up with today. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my subscribers for your continued support, and if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.